In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and manage Monday.com automations. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your project management skills, understanding how to effectively utilize automations can drastically improve your workflow. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to the Monday.com board where you wish to set up and monitor your automations. Upon accessing your boards, you'll see a tab labeled Automate located at the top. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring you to the Automation Center, a hub where all your board's automation recipes are housed. Here, you'll find a categorized list that shows active automations, those that are currently disabled, and the specific type of automation such as notifications, item movements, or status updates. Managing existing automations is a crucial aspect of streamlining your project processes. With a simple toggle switch, you can enable or disable any automation temporarily. This is particularly useful for testing or if you need to pause specific functionalities briefly. If you find any automation needs tweaking, perhaps to adjust a trigger or action, you can edit the recipe directly. Click on the automation recipe and modify as necessary. For those situations where you find an automation setup so useful that you'd like to apply it to another board, duplicate the recipe. This feature allows you to copy an automation recipe seamlessly to another project board